you're so shy. Oh, you baby. Oh, you shy baby. Oh, it's raining outside. It is. It's raining outside. You my baby. Oh, are you baby? A little shy about, perching at being. She likes to be real close, but teach her how to perch. No, honey, you're my baby. Oh, yeah, is she beautiful? My gosh, wait, get her from. Show how beautiful you are. She's so shy. All she wants to do is hide right now. Oh, baby, it's all right. Just relax. Relax, you're all right. Hey. Oh, pretty girl. Look at you. Pretty. Pretty girl. You're beautiful. You are beautiful. Look at you. Oh, my, you're a pretty girl. Oh, look at those beautiful yellow feathers. Oh, you are so pretty. My, my, my. Yeah, if you can get them on your hand and then tell them how beautiful you are. You are just gorgeous. Yes, you are. You're beautiful. Yes, you are. Oh, you're beautiful birdie. Yes, you are. You're a beautiful bird. Oh, my, yes. You're my baby. You're my baby. Oh, this is one magnificent bird. Look at him. These guys talk too, so this one's for sale. This one's for sale. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you're pretty. You're so beautiful. Look at that pretty girl. It's a girl. It's a girl. Yes, it is. It's a very pretty girl. Yeah. You're gonna shake it out. Oh my, she's flirting with you. Oh, you're a good girl. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Oh my, and you know it too, huh? Birds know that they're beautiful. You know that you're beautiful. You're so cute. Yeah. Oh, so pretty girl. Oh, you pretty girl. Yes, you are. I love you. I love the little birdie. You're a good birdie. Yes, you are. You're my baby. Oh, you're a good birdie. Oh, gosh. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, baby, I love you too. I love you too. Yes. Okay, this is a yellow. I call it golden Quaker. So beautiful. You're beautiful. And can be yours for a small price. Yeah, she's worth every bit. Yeah, she'll be a talker. She'll talk. She'll keep you company. Don't poop. Do not poop. That's a good disguise. You're gonna love this one. You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Yeah. I love the birdie. I love the birdie. Yeah, golden Quaker. So pretty. Oh my gosh, you're pretty. I'm gonna turn up the lights a little better. No. You're a sweet girl. You're a sweet girl. Yeah. Yep. Got her a birdie. Got my sweet birdie here. Yeah. She got a sweet birdie. He's peeking at you. Peeking at you. Peeky, peeky, peeky. Yeah. You're a sweet girl. You're a sweet girl. Yeah. No. That's a sweet girl. You're back there. Oh, Fluffy. Good girl. Watch out, good girl. Oh, yeah. Oh, my good girl. Do-do-do-do. Oh, why'd you get close? He's afraid of the camera. Oh. He's my baby. Oh. He's my baby. Baby girl. I love the baby girl. Oh. That baby girl, she's so sweet. Yeah. One thing with Quakers, you have to watch out for jewelry. They love the bling. So you kind of have to protect your bling. Yeah, because they want to covet it for themselves. Yeah. Okay, I love you guys.